Hey everyone. So I went to Old Time Pottery the other day and I got some fall decor that I'm so excited about. I can't wait to put on my front porch. So I just wanted to come with a quick little video and show you guys some of the things that I got. And I also went to the Dollar Tree too. So that's where some stuff is from too. So like at the Dollar Tree, this was the only one left. I got this cute little scarecrow. Stick it somewhere out there in the yard. It's so cute. It was only one that I seen at that store. So now I got these cute little pumpkins. These are from the dollar store or Dollar Tree. I keep saying dollar store. I guess it's the same thing. So cute. And then I found these at Old Time Pottery. Now they are a little expensive and I probably could have made them myself. But you know, making them, they would have been, you know, very time consuming and of course like messy with all the glitter and everything. So I just decided to go ahead and buy them. They are $9.99 at Old Time Pottery, but they are so freaking cute. All little sparkles. Of course, I love, love, love anything with sparkles, glitter. So cute. I love it. And then I got, excuse my kids in the background. I got this nice, cute, like gold leaf ribbon that I will be using to put on. Excuse, my hands are kind of dry. I just washed them. I will be using these to put on my wreath. That's going to be on the door. Here's another one. Super cute. I also got this sign right here. Now, I had actually bought this like maybe, let's see, like maybe 2 weeks ago. But this is from the Dollar Tree also. So what I'm going to do with this is kind of try to put it in the middle of the wreath when I make it. So adorable. Of course, I got my flower arrangement to put in my planters out in the front. Got several of these. These are all different prices. Like this one's $3.99. This one right here is $149. I think it's some more 149s in there. Okay, got more. I don't think anything was over. I don't think anything was over $4.99 for the flowers I got. I also got this ribbon. This is $149. So cute. Of course, it matches with the pumpkins. I was so excited about that. I got these also from the Dollar Tree. These cute little ribbons I plan on putting on the wreath also. I only just bought 2 of them, so I'm trying to envision how I want the wreath to look. So I will be doing a video of me making the wreath. So I'm gonna kind of wing it, just, you know, play around with it and see where things look good at, you know, placed on there. So here's some garlands, like some leaf garland I got from the Dollar Tree to wrap around the wreath. And I got some more sparkles. I got these. Ugh. These are so cute. I'm going to put it in there with the flower arrangement in the planter. In each planter. I got 2 planters out there. So I think it's so fitting. It's so cute. And here is the twig wreath. It's stuck on my curtains. Oh my god. I love it. I got this for $7.99 at Old Town Pottery. So I cannot wait to do a DIY on this. It's so cute. I think it's gonna turn out great. Awesome. I got this plaid rug from Old Town Pottery also. It was $9.99, and I'm gonna lay this out front. I'm definitely gonna lay this out front. I have a welcome mat out there, so I'm gonna have to try and see how it's gonna look with the welcome mat too. So, and I wasn't sure if I should buy I don't know, like a second one for it, because like the space out there in front, like it's kind of a nice size, so I'm not sure if I need to buy a second one. If I do, then I'll let you guys know that I went and bought a second one. But yeah, this is my decor for the fall for my front porch, and I'm so excited and cannot wait to show you guys and come back with another video on how it looks. So please stay tuned. I will be back very, very soon, probably tomorrow, with a video of my fall decor. See you guys.